Welcome to Photoshop Certification Test by Tom Riddle, and this is our review. So begin by opening the document that you will put your test into. I've already sized it for you, and then name it. So be sure to give it your name, test, or something like that, so I can know whose test it is. That's going to help a lot. The first thing you might want to do is choose your background. So I've given you a number of backgrounds. Choose the one that you think looks the best. And it's opening in a separate window, of course. And then we'll just use our elliptical marquee tool to select everything. Edit, copy, and then window back to where we started, and you can press Ctrl V or edit, copy, paste. So there's our background. And now we're going to take the picture that we want, and I've chosen this guy. And you remember we used the lasso tool and Alt to meticulously and very exactingly do our selection. And here I've speeded it up because it's just too boring to watch if I played it in real time. So remember, you can zoom in with Ctrl Plus as you work with the lasso tool, and it shouldn't be too hard for you now. And then of course edit, copy, and then go back to the other document and paste it in. So it pasted onto its own layer, which is good. And then of course Ctrl T with Shift to size it proportionately. Now we're going to make our circle on a new layer, and there it is. Let's put that circle behind the man right there. And I'm trimming off parts of him that I don't want in the circle. There are other ways to do that, but the eraser tool is one of them. And now let's get our drop shadow. Again, the 3 sliders, and working with that clock with one hand to get it pointed in the right way. Next, we better give our circle a stroke. And that looks about right, doesn't it? And a new layer. I filled the text box with white, and here's your name. Put it in place, go back to the box, Ctrl T, and size it up. Now, let's do that border with the brush and Shift. And we're giving our border a drop shadow. Aha, there's a mistake. So in this case, I'm just using a very 100% hardness eraser to straighten him out, and then I'm going to save it. You should save as JPEG, and that is your test.